We all want that youthful glow, right? It's something that has been sought after for centuries, from ancient beauty rituals to modern skincare routines. The desire to maintain a fresh, vibrant appearance is universal, but achieving and maintaining that youthful glow isn't always easy. It requires understanding the factors that affect our skin and taking proactive steps to care for it. But as we age, our skin naturally loses its elasticity. Fine lines appear and our once smooth complexion starts to change. This is due to the breakdown of collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep our skin firm and supple. Over time, the production of these proteins slows down, leading to sagging and wrinkles. Those dreaded wrinkles start showing up. They can be a source of frustration for many, as they are often seen as a sign of aging. However, it's important to remember that wrinkles are a natural part of life. They tell the story of our experiences and the expressions we've made over the years. It's a natural part of life, but that doesn't mean we can't do anything about it. There are numerous ways to combat the signs of aging and maintain a youthful appearance. From topical treatments to lifestyle changes, there are many strategies to explore. Many factors contribute to this. Environmental stressors such as pollution and UV radiation can accelerate the aging process. Additionally, our lifestyle choices play a significant role in how our skin ages. Stress is a big one. Chronic stress can lead to the release of cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and elastin. This can result in premature aging and the formation of wrinkles. An unhealthy lifestyle also plays a major role. Poor dietary choices such as consuming too much sugar and processed foods can lead to inflammation and skin damage. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can also have detrimental effects on our skin's health. Think about it. Lack of sleep, poor diet, and not enough water all take a toll on our skin. Sleep is essential for skin repair and regeneration, while a balanced diet provides the nutrients our skin needs to stay healthy. Hydration is also crucial, as it helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents dryness. But don't worry, there's hope. By making positive changes to our lifestyle and skincare routine, we can improve the appearance of our skin and slow down the aging process. We can fight back with simple, natural methods. Using products that contain antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, can help protect our skin from damage. Regularly applying sunscreen can prevent UV-induced aging. And incorporating hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid can keep our skin plump and youthful. By focusing on what we put into our bodies and how we care for our skin externally, we can achieve a youthful, radiant complexion. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides the essential nutrients our skin needs. Regularly moisturizing helps maintain the skin's barrier function, keeping it hydrated and protected. Remember, taking care of your skin is an investment in your overall well-being. Practices like yoga and meditation can reduce stress and promote a sense of calm, which in turn benefits our skin. So embrace a holistic approach to skincare and enjoy the journey to a healthier, more youthful you. The secret to youthful skin lies in a two-pronged approach. It's not just about what you put on your skin, but also what you put into your body. This holistic method ensures that your skin remains vibrant and resilient over time. It's like taking care of a plant. Just as a plant needs water, sunlight, and nutrients to thrive, our skin requires a balanced combination of internal and external care to look its best. You need to nourish it from the roots and protect it from the outside. The roots represent our internal health, which is the foundation of glowing skin. The leaves and flowers are akin to our skin's surface, which needs protection and care. Firstly, we need to focus on internal nutrition. This means consuming a diet rich in essential nutrients that support skin health. Vitamins like A, C, and E, along with minerals such as zinc and selenium, play a crucial role in maintaining skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. What we consume reflects on our skin. Fresh fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, which can cause skin damage. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep the skin plump and hydrated. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can do wonders. Foods like berries, nuts, leafy greens, and fish are excellent choices. These foods not only improve skin texture but also enhance its natural glow. Secondly, external care is crucial. This involves using skincare products that are gentle yet effective. Natural ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and green tea can soothe and protect the skin. This means using natural ingredients that cleanse, nourish, and protect our skin from environmental damage. Regular cleansing removes impurities while moisturizing keeps the skin barrier intact. Sun protection is also vital to prevent UV damage. Think of it this way: internal nutrition builds the foundation, and external care enhances and protects it. When these two aspects work in harmony, the results are truly transformative. Your skin becomes more resilient, radiant, and youthful. With these two working together, you're well on your way to achieving that coveted youthful glow. Remember, consistency is key. By making these practices a part of your daily routine, you can enjoy healthy, glowing skin for years to come. Let's talk about collagen. It's a protein that gives our skin its structure and elasticity. As we age, our body produces less collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging. But guess what? We can boost collagen production naturally, and it all starts with a simple drink. This magical potion includes ingredients like aloe vera gel, known for its skin-healing properties; amla juice, a powerhouse of vitamin C, further aids collagen production; flax seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, help maintain skin elasticity; A dash of honey adds a touch of sweetness and its natural antibacterial properties. Now, I understand that finding time for these DIY concoctions can be challenging. Don't worry, I've got you covered. The market is flooded with excellent collagen supplements. These powders are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just mix a scoop into your morning smoothie or juice and you're good to go. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you choose the DIY drink or a collagen supplement, regular consumption is crucial for noticeable results. Your skin will thank you for it. Now that we've nourished our skin from within, let's focus on external care. Our skin is the largest organ of our body, and it deserves some extra love and attention. By using natural ingredients, we can avoid harsh chemicals and give our skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and glowing. It's time for a pampering session with a natural face mask. This mask is not only easy to make but also incredibly effective. It combines the benefits of several natural ingredients that work together to rejuvenate your skin. This simple mask uses ingredients readily available in your kitchen. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive skincare products when you can create something just as effective at home. Plus, making your own mask ensures that you know exactly what you're putting on your skin. Egg white, a natural source of protein, tightens the skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of pores and gives your skin a firmer, more youthful look. Simply separate the egg white from the yolk and whisk it until it's frothy. Aloe vera gel soothes and moisturizes. It's known for its healing properties and is great for calming irritated skin. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, you can scoop out the gel directly from the leaf. Otherwise, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel. While honey with its antibacterial properties keeps blemishes at bay. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to retain moisture in your skin. It also has antioxidant properties that can help to protect your skin from damage. Finally, a squeeze of lemon juice helps to brighten the complexion. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is known for its skin brightening properties. It can help to even out your skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Apply this mask twice a week after cleansing your face. Use a brush or your fingers to spread the mask evenly over your face, avoiding the eye area. Make sure to cover all areas of your face for maximum benefits. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax and unwind. You can read a book, meditate, or simply close your eyes and enjoy the moment. Let the mask work its magic while you take a break from your busy day, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing your skin, as this can cause irritation. Your skin should feel clean, refreshed, and incredibly soft. You'll be amazed by how soft and refreshed your skin feels. Regular use of this natural face mask can help to improve your skin's texture and appearance. So go ahead, pamper yourself and enjoy the benefits of natural skincare. Let's delve deeper into the benefits of these natural ingredients. Aloe vera, a miracle plant, is known for its soothing and healing properties. It's a boon for dry and irritated skin. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect the skin from free radical damage. Flax seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, help maintain skin elasticity and contribute to a youthful appearance. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. Remember, achieving healthy glowing skin is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the process. These natural remedies, coupled with a healthy lifestyle, can work wonders for your skin. You'll start noticing a visible difference, a radiant glow, reduced fine lines, and a more youthful appearance. So go ahead, embrace these natural solutions and embark on your journey towards healthier, more beautiful skin.